Okay, I'm in the kitchen, it's Christmas, and I'm just doing something very quick. Now, I do have my grandchildren with me today. I've got two 18-month-old little girls, cousins, and I'm looking after them today. And I thought that this would be something nice for them to get involved in, but they are 18 months old. So I gave them the choice and they chose to play with balloons instead of doing cooking. But that's fine, that's their choice. Won't be a moment. So, because it's Christmas, we are making something called White Christmas. Very, very simple. So in this saucepan here, I've got 250 grams of kofa. Now that's something that comes from coconut, it's fat, and we just need to melt that on the stove. So I'll just be back in a moment because I'll put this on to melt gently. Right, I've got one little helper here beside me. In this bowl, I've got 2 cups of rice bubbles, some people call them Rice Krispies, and then we've got all our other ingredients here, and as we put them in, we just have to put everything in the one bowl together. So I'll just tell you what I've got. So I have a cup of skim milk powder, then I have a cup of desiccated coconut. We're just putting them all in. Okay. Oh, it's wet down here. Let's wipe it. Let's wipe it. Okay. Put your stool there. Hop up then. Are you all right? Okay, so I've got both girls here helping me, as I thought I would. Okay, yep, you can stir that. So we don't show the children, because they're only children, we don't show them on social media, but you'll see their hands and you'll hear their voices. So the next thing we've got is a packet, it's 200 grams of cherries. Would you like to put them in? Use your spoon, scrape it. There we go. Good girl. And the next thing we have is 1 cup of sultanas. Okay, you put that in for me? That's right, good girl. Good helper. And the next thing we have is 1 cup of icing sugar or powdered sugar. You can see there's a couple of sultanas made their way in there. Use your spoon, scrape it in. That's right. Just a moment. There we go, all in. So can you mix it up for me? That's right. Do you want me to help you? You do. Okay. Have to mix all the lumps out of the couple of lumps in that icing sugar. And we're just going to mix. Mix. There we go. Good job, Whitney. There we go. Now normally that would be the recipe and we would just add our kofa when it's melted. But I'm going to add a few extra things today. Okay, just leave it now. You're having a taste, are you? Okay, now to jazz it up a little bit, we're just adding a sprinkling of white chocolate chips. So I've just got them there, and we're just going to put some in. Thank you, Whitney. Okay, would you like to have some to try? Here we go. There's some there, and there's some for you. There we go. And the other thing I'm going to put in is just some marshmallows. So I've got very big marshmallows, so I'm going to use my scissors and I'm going to chop them. You'd like a marshmallow? Now one of the girls like helping, and you'd like a marshmallow? Okay. So we're just going to randomly chop some of the marshmallows. As I said, they're very big pieces. So I bought these marshmallows because we're doing fruit skewers for Christmas. So these are nice big ones which will go on the skewers amongst the fruit. If I knew that I was going to put marshmallows in here...
Mama!
It's okay, she's allowed to eat it. If I knew I was going to put them in, I would have bought those mini marshmallows and then there wouldn't be any chopping. These marshmallows are all stuck together. Don't marshmallows smell delicious? There's something about them.
Mama.
Eat your marshmallow. There we go, we've got the marshmallows in. Now what I've also done over here, I've got 2 small tins, just not very deep. Not very deep, they're only about, probably about 4 centimetres deep. And I've lined them. You want to get down? I've lined those tins with some baking paper. So the Kofa is almost melted. Kids can make this on their own, but this step you need to help them because the Kofa can get rather hot. Now the next thing we need to do is to pour our melted Kofa in and then we mix it. You're helping me, Whitney? Good girl. Good job. Have to mix it all up. What can Mama do now? We need to get right at the bottom and mix it all up. So we need to make sure that it's all been coated with that Kofa. Just keep mixing it until you don't see any more dry bits. And once you get to that stage where it's all been mixed thoroughly, then you just need to mix it in, put it into your trays. So I'm going to divide this between 2 trays here. I'm just trying to get it even. There we go. I've spilled some. And then, once you've done that, you just press it down. That's right, we press down. And then we need to press the other one down. And then we just pop it in the fridge until it hardens. Now, someone's asking me for a taste, so I'll just put some in a bowl and you can have the spoon. Here we go, here's a bowl for you, Anastasia, with some in it. There we go. And there you have it. It's all set. It only takes about 2 hours in the fridge to set nice and hard. Then you take it out of the tray, chop it into pieces, and it's great to give as a gift. You can pop it into a jar or some bags, some nice little decorative bags, even a little box and a ribbon around it, and it makes a lovely little Christmas gift. One thing though, make sure that if you live in a hot country like Australia, that you don't leave it in your car because it will melt. If you're transporting it a long distance and it's hot, have some ice with it just to keep it cool. Anyway, I hope that you have a go at making that. You can see how simple and easy it is. And I've been making it and giving it out at Christmas events leading up to Christmas, and people are saying, wow, I haven't seen that for years, but I love it. So it's been received very well. So have a great Christmas. I may or may not have some more videos coming out before Christmas, but either way, enjoy your Christmas, spend it with your loved ones, and I hope you have a fantastic Christmas. Bye for now.